My name is Gustavo, and today on Budget Boss, I'm going to be showing you how you can make one of my favorite recipes of all time, and it's a simple smoked lemon pepper wings. So before we get into this recipe, make sure you guys scroll down into the description below, click on the recipe link so that way you guys can get the full recipe. Also, make sure you guys hit the like, make sure you comment down below what you want to see next in these Budget Boss series videos, and also subscribe and hit that notification bell so that way you know every single time that we drop a new video. So without further ado, let's get right into making these wings. All right guys, so in order to get these wings started, I'm gonna show you how to chop up the wings that I was given. They're still put together, so I'm gonna show you how to separate the drum from the flat and how to remove the end off of the flat as well. I'm gonna be using my Pit Boss shears, and you can get these on the website as well. After I'm done cutting the chicken, then what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna pat it dry. I'm gonna make a marinade for it to sit for at least 2 hours. You can leave the chicken in the marinade overnight for more flavor and more juiciness.
All right, so I'm gonna show you how you can cut the chicken wings. I'm gonna make a small slice between the flat and the end, and then I'm gonna take my Pit Boss shears and just cut them right in half as so. And then I'll just clip off the end of the flat. Once I've done this with all of my chicken wings, I'm gonna put it in a Ziploc bag, and then I'm gonna add the juice from 1 lemon. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of red chili flakes.
So the unit that I'm using today is our Pit Boss DX unit. You can find this unit at Lowe's, but you could cook it on any Pit Boss that you do have. Just make sure you follow the instructions in the recipe. All right, so now that we cut up our chicken, we had it marinate overnight, but if you marinate it, at least try to get it for 2 hours so that way it has that maximum flavor. I set my smoker to 225 degrees so that way they can smoke for about an hour. Before I put my chicken wings in, I pat them slightly dry from the marinade, not too much so they lose their juiciness and all the flavor, but just enough so that way I can apply the dry rub inside of the recipe as well. Garlic pepper, salt, black pepper, and crushed red peppers.
And then after we're done adding all of our dry rub mixes, then we're gonna take our chicken wings and we are going to place them into the smoke. I put them on the second rack so that way they don't burn. Placing them on the second rack also helps us get more of a smoke flavor. Due to the smoke rising out of the top of the chimney, more smoke is going to collect at the top of the barrel. So I smoke it for 225 for that hour, and then we'll crank it up here in a little bit. All right, now while these smoke, this gives us an opportunity to make our compound butter. We're going to use 1 pound of soft butter, teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of coarse ground pepper, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1.5 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 cup of chopped parsley, and then we're going to use the zest of 4 lemons and the juice from 1 lemon. Then we're going to add all of our ingredients to the mixing bowl and whip them around for 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and mixed up. And then you want to store it in the refrigerator or freezer for up to 5 days, but we're going to let it harden, and then we're going to chop it up into little circles so then we can add it to our lemon pepper wings.
All right, now that my chicken wings have been in the smoker for about an hour, I'm gonna increase the heat to 375 degrees, and we're gonna let these chicken wings really get nice and crispy. Then after that, we're gonna add our compound butter, our finishing touches, and we'll be right there. All right, budget bosses, now that we have had the wings in the grill for about 20 minutes at 375 degrees, we're gonna pull them out, we're gonna put them into our mixing bowl, we're gonna put our compound butter inside of there, and then we're gonna mix it all around, let it sit for 5 minutes, and then finish it off with a couple of garnishes. I'm gonna use one of the lemons that we used for the zest. I'm gonna cut it in half, I'm gonna squeeze that lemon on top of the wings. I'm gonna add a little bit of chili flake and some chopped parsley, and we'll call it a day, okay? All right, let's pull these off.
These wings look absolutely delicious. They're nice and crispy, but still had a lot of juice from the marinade inside of the actual skin and chicken itself. So when I put it in the bowl, you can just hear the crunch and the crispiness of the wings. I'm so excited to try these out. So let's get them to the table. I'm gonna add my compound butter, and then we're gonna do a little bit of movie magic because I'm gonna do the slow-mo toss. Ready? Watch this. This is my favorite part of editing these videos, is doing slow motion close-ups of all this food. It makes me so hungry, but it makes me so proud to be able to share it with you guys and to be able to do all of this on a budget, so that way I know that everybody has an opportunity to try making these recipes. I know you guys are a budget boss, and I want to see what you guys can create yourselves. Hashtag budget boss on any YouTube videos or Instagram content you have.
All right, you guys, so there we have it. We have our lemon pepper compound butter wings, nice mixed up. I'm gonna let them rest for about 5 minutes. Then we'll plate them, put the garnishes on them, and then I will give it a try and let you guys know what I think. If you guys have been watching this long and made it to this part of the video, comment Pit Boss DX series, and we'll have something cool for you guys next time. All right, Pit Boss Nation, so there you have it. We had the lemon pepper wings. I showed you guys how you can make that compound butter. I showed you what temperatures you use to make sure that it is a smoked chicken wing and not just a grilled chicken wing. We smoked it for an hour, and then after that we cut up the heat, let them get nice and crispy, tossed it in our delicious compound butter, and there you have it. If you guys want to get this full recipe printed out, if you guys do make this recipe, share it on your social media and tag us at Pit Boss Grills. We want to see what you guys make as well. Thank you guys for watching, and always remember, everyone's got to eat.